how to make a poll on Twitter. Maybe you have a following on Twitter and you want to survey them and find out what their best opinion, like or dislike is on a specific subject. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to create a Twitter poll, so stay tuned. Hey, my name is Garrett Barry, and on this channel, I help entrepreneurs get more leads and sales on social media. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. But now I'm gonna hop on my computer and walk you through exactly how to create this Twitter poll so you can start to survey your followers today. Okay, my friend, now I'm on my laptop and I'm gonna share with you exactly how to create a Twitter poll right now. So you wanna go to your main profile. Now to create the poll, you're just gonna go up here and you're gonna click tweet, okay? Just as if you were to tweet a normal tweet. Now, when you see this little icon right here that looks like a sideways bar graph, okay, that's where you add poll. So you want to click that, okay, and then you ask a question and then you add these choices. Specifically, if you're in a business and you want to generate leads, you want to also make more sales, this is a great tweet that you can actually swipe and deploy for your own business to get great results, okay? But keep in mind, for this video on how to create a poll on Twitter, you can apply it to anything. You know, if you just want to ask your friends, you know, what's your favorite ice cream flavor, you can put it in there, right? I'm also going to share with you how you can turn these polls into income into your bank account, okay, for your business, or if you're an affiliate marketer, whatever the case may be. So what you want to do is ask a question, and here's what I like to personally do. Hey guys, I'm in the process of working on some new training programs to help XYZ. Okay, now if you're a coach, consultant, maybe you are in network marketing, affiliate marketing, and you're wanting to learn how to poll your Twitter following, what you can do is actually put in the XYZ is gonna be what type of training program maybe you've been working on. You can talk about what type of product you're promoting, but don't give it all away. You want to leave some mystery, okay? So, hey guys, I'm in the process of working on some new training programs to help. So for example, for me, I help entrepreneurs. To help entrepreneurs explode on social media, okay? Because that's what I'm working on. So you want to apply this to what you're doing. Again, maybe you are selling a product in dog training and you have a lot of followers that like dogs. Well, you could say something like, hey guys, I'm in the process of working on some new training programs to help people train their dog easier, right? Do something like that. Then here's the poll. Here's where the poll comes in. Please comment below, what's your biggest challenge with XYZ? Okay, and again, the XYZ right here is gonna be with what you're currently working on, what you're selling, what your product is. So for example, for me, okay, I help people get endless leads and sales on social media, but if I'm creating a new trading program, I gotta know what my following is most struggling with, because if you help people with that struggle, you're making a sale, because that's what selling is. It's simply helping people, sharing a solution to them that have a problem, that have a challenge, that have a struggle, and when they exchange money for that service or product, you get money. You want to find out and poll people on what they're struggling with so you can create a product, you can find a product, you can offer a solution to help them. They'll literally tell you. So for example, you know, what's your biggest challenge with getting leads online, okay? Because this would directly apply to my business. But again, use this as the template and do it for your own business as well. So then you want to add some choices. Now the great thing about polls is basically what you're doing is you're giving them multiple choice. If you remember back in school and you would take those multiple choice tests, whether you liked it or not, right? They would give you different answers. So they're basically only allowing you to choose certain things. So you want to put some categories of different ideas or topics around this challenge. So again, if you're in the travel niche, maybe you're promoting a travel product or you have a travel Twitter page, your poll could basically be, what type of content do you like best when it comes to travel? And people will literally tell you that if you put choices, okay? So asking it is given. So for example, for me, what's your biggest challenge with getting leads online? Staying consistent, and you just put in the different options you want the person to choose. Not having support, right? Whatever you think some of the options are, but you want to know what this is because this is going to help you help more people, which I'll share in a second. Feeling brand new. Okay, and again, how did I get these different choices? Because I know my market that I'm in, and I know that people that want more leads and sales on social media, they feel that they have trouble staying consistent, not having support, and feeling brand new. So again, if you're just making a poll just to be fun and have fun like that, then you would just type them in and then hit tweet. Okay. Now, one last thing you want to keep in mind, this poll length. When you click on here, this is going to be how long until you get the answers of which one won. Okay, so you can do 1 day, you can do all the way up to 7 days. Okay, so it can be a week-long survey. I'm just going to do 3 days for mine just to give enough people to see it. And then you want to hit tweet. Okay, so boom, your tweet was sent. So now if I look at it, okay, go back to the home thing. Now what's going to happen is people will come here and they can actually click one of these. Okay, it will be clickable for them. And now how do you apply this? The last step, basically what I recommend is you take their answer. You don't just take their answer and just ignore what they say. You actually see which one is the most popular, and you start creating more content, videos, and tips around that specific topic, because it's literally listening to what your audience wants and giving it to them, okay, which is absolutely incredible. So now you know how to create a poll on Twitter. And Twitter is a great place to build a business and generate high quality leads. But did you know there's actually over 17 other ways to generate leads today? Go ahead and grab my free training audio below, revealing 17 different ways to get leads today. All of them are simple and easy, and all of them are free except for one. Click the link below and get that now. Well, I hope you liked this video, my friend. If you did, be sure to click the like button below, share this with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Also, I'd love to hear your feedback. Comment below what you think of this video and how are you going to apply this. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on the next video.